Welcome to Supermarket English. Today, let's practice everyday English while grocery shopping.
I'm so glad you came with me, Leo. I need to get groceries for the whole week.
No problem. Do you have a shopping list, or are we just winging it?
I have a list on my phone. First, we need some fresh produce.
All right, come on, let's go.
We have reached the produce section.
Look at these apples. They look so juicy.
They do. Can you grab 5? Make sure they are crisp and not bruised.
Got it. Do we need any vegetables for the salad?
Yes, let's get a head of lettuce and some cucumbers.
Okay, I'll grab them.
Oh, and look at these bell peppers.
They look fresh. Should we get some?
Yes, let's take 2. 1 red and 1 yellow.
All right, that should be enough for the salad.
Are you enjoying the video? Subscribe for more useful content.
Great, let's go to the next section.
Okay, what do we need next?
We need some milk and yogurt. Let's go to the dairy section.
What kind of milk should we get? Whole milk or low fat?
Actually, let's get almond milk. It's a bit lighter.
All right, and what about yogurt?
Let's buy plain yogurt.
Okay, I'll put it in the cart.
Great, I think that's all for the dairy section.
All right, what's next?
We need protein. Let's head to the meat and deli counter. Excuse me, do you have any fresh salmon today?
Yes, we just got a shipment in this morning. How much would you like?
I'll take 2 fillets, please.
While we're here, can we get some sliced turkey for sandwiches?
Certainly. Do you want it sliced thin or thick?
Thinly sliced, please. About half a pound.
Here you go.
Thanks. Can you smell that? The bakery just finished a fresh batch of bread.
You're right. Let's grab one of those long baguettes.
Good idea. Do you want to get some cookies too?
Maybe just a small pack of chocolate chip ones as a treat.
I can't say no to that. Let's get the soft ones.
Now we have everything on the list. Let's head to the checkout.
Great, let's go. I'm ready to eat.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card?
I do. Let me scan it on my phone.
That will be $54.20. Would you like paper or plastic bags?
I brought my own reusable bags. Thanks.
Perfect. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Let's go home and cook.
That was quick and easy.
Yes, shopping is much faster with a list.
Are you enjoying the video? Subscribe for more useful content.